my name is Nikita.
My name is Vaishali. Our project title is Lift Simulation Using Priority Scheduling. So first let us know what is lift. Lift is nothing but vertical transport machine where it takes goods or passenger from one floor to another floor. Next, let us know what is simulation. Simulation is nothing but loading and unloading of person. Loading is nothing but taking the people into the lift, and unloading is nothing but dropping them to their destination.
As per our project title, priority scheduling is the method of scheduling processes based on priorities. Schedulers process a task which has higher priority compared to others. Let's take our example of our own project. That is, a person from 5th floor presses the button of the lift and the lift moves from 1st floor to the 5th floor. Simultaneously, a person from 4th floor presses the button of the lift and the lift has to take the 5th floor person and come to 4th floor and take the 4th floor person. 4th floor person destination is 2nd floor. So the lift has to move to 2nd floor and then drop the person who got into from the 4th floor and then move to 1st floor and drop the person who got into from 5th floor.
The main goal of this project is to investigate different lift control strategy and find the efficient one in case of waiting time and energy consumption. It is a simulation process that is used by consultancies, researchers and elevator companies.
It has 3 main important sections in our project. First, person. Second, building. Third, controller. Person, the user who uses the lift to move from one floor to another. Second, building. It is the main pathway by which the lift can move from one floor to another floor. It has many different floors. Next comes the controller. Controller is the important part of the project by the help of which the lift can move from one floor to another. It has many embedded functions that are needed in the process.
The software used in designing this process is Eclipse and it runs on Windows platform.
The programming language we have made use is Java. As Java runs on virtual machine, this software can run on all popular operating systems. We have made use of data structures, that is queues, for priority scheduling. Queues follows FCFS rule, that is first come first serve rule.
Limitations of existing systems are relatively slow speed, second one is noisy, and sometimes the movement may be slower, and the last one is cost of development.
So now let us know the advantages of our project. First is its higher speed compared to other varieties. It is less energy consuming and less costing. And next is it provides smoother ride. So let us see the demonstration of our project. We have 3 buttons over here: start, background music and exit. We can keep the background music exception right now. So let us go with the start. This is a visual representation of our project. So these are the number of floors we have numbered over here. We have start floor and end floor comprised of 6 buttons. We have add, start and pause. This is the load balancer which restricts the person getting into the lift. This is the lift and this is the information table which says about the simulation. So let us start with the simulation process. So let me consider start floor as 1 and end floor as 6. So let's continue with adding the people. We have also written a code for opening and closing of the door. So we can see how the simulation takes place using priority scheduling. So this works in an efficient way and takes less energy consumption. So it is a process how the scheduling works. So thank you for watching the demonstration.